Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're jumping straight into how to track budget approvals in Monday.com. If you've got a team and a budget, this will be a game changer for you. First things first, you'll want to create a new board specifically for budget approvals. Go to the left side of your screen, click on the plus icon next to Boards, and select Create Board. This step gathers all your budget-related tasks in one place, making them easy to access and monitor. Now that we've done that, it's time to customize your board. Add columns for task, approver, status, and budget. The reason we do this is to keep track of every detail related to budget approvals. This way, confusion is minimized and everyone stays on the same page. Next up, let's set up automations. Click on the Automate button at the top of your board and create a new rule. When status changes to approved, notify requester. This helps us because it will automatically send an update to the person who submitted the budget request, saving you time and ensuring quick communication. Now, you might be wondering, why aren't we using the budget column yet? Well, here's what's happening behind the scenes. We'll use this column to input the budget amount for each task. Once an approval status is updated, we can easily track the approved budgets. Finally, to keep things clear and organized, make sure to update the status of each task as it moves through the approval process. This is a simple but crucial step as it provides real-time updates and helps eliminate any confusion about the status of budget approvals. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to track a budget from Monday.com. Remember, the key to effective budget tracking is updating the board regularly, so keep your board updated and watch as your budget management becomes a breeze. Thanks for joining us today, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on using Monday.com.